Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with Technology Package, Preferred Equipment Group 3LT, 120 volt bed mounted power outlet, 10-way power passenger seat adjuster with lumbar, Easy Lift power lock and release tailgate, 10-way power driver seat adjuster with lumbar, wrapped steering wheel, Chevrolet Infotainment 3 premium audio system, LED smoked amber roof marker light, front LED fog lamps, and has less than 35,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.